How to delete all images on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. To select more than one image, tap on Select at the top right, then you will be able to choose multiple photos. Once you select the photos, tap the Delete button at the bottom right. Tap on Delete again to confirm. Now, scroll all the way down until you reach the Utilities section at the bottom. Within Utilities, tap on the recently deleted album. Authenticate with Face ID or your passcode to access this folder. Inside this album, tap Select again. Now, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. And then tap the Delete All option that appears at the bottom. And then, tap on Delete from this iPhone to confirm. This will permanently remove the photos from your iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily delete all images on an iPhone.